This might be one of the most unique pair of Doc Martens that I own. This is the Doc Martens 3989 BEX smooth leather. The design combines the classic brogue style with the signature Doc Martens rugged aesthetics. The wingtip detailing and the perforation gives it a refined traditional look while maintaining the bold and rebellious spirit typically of the Doc Martens. One of the key features is the BEX soles, which is thicker than the standard soles found in most Doc Martens. This platform adds height and a distinctive chunky silhouette, enhancing the shoe's visual impact and offering extra comfort and durability. The material is made with smooth leather, known for being one of the hardest leathers to break into, but it is also durable. This type of leather is polished and given a slick and shiny finish that adds a sophisticated appearance. When it comes to the fit, Doc Martens typically run large, but with these ones, they're a bit unique. Many users find that they need to size down by one full size for the best fit because there's no half sizes. For example, if you normally wear a size 10, you might find yourself with a size 9 in Doc Martens. If possible, the best way to find your sizing is, if possible, try them in stores to get the best idea of how they fit. This is especially helpful for somebody who's new to the brand or if it's their first pair of Doc Martens. The 3989 BEX model is known for its roomy toe box, providing extra space for comfort. For me in particular, I normally wear a size 9 for Doc Martens, but when it came to these ones, since there was extra toe room, I would say, I was a size 8 and definitely happy that I tried them in stores. I could fit a size 9, but a size 8 just fit like a glove. And I also know that breaking them in, they're gonna stretch out a little bit. So these were definitely perfect for me. Speaking about breaking them in, like most Doc Marten boots, these require a break-in period. Initially, the leather might feel stiff, but will soften and mold to your feet over time. Wearing thick socks during the break-in period can prevent discomfort and blisters. For me personally, one of my biggest pain points was my ankle. These were digging into my ankles, and day in and day out, it just felt like they kept digging into my ankles, but eventually they did free up. And one thing that I did notice, depending on how you walk, sometimes if, let's say, the side of my foot hit the pavement first, the other side's gonna dig into my ankle. So things like that, maybe think about on your first wear. If you're going to wear it for long periods of time, probably would advise you not to, or wear some thick socks if it's not too hot outside. When it comes to styling these, generally, I like to keep it simple. And whenever I see these wingtip boots, I feel like they're more formal. You can dress them down, but it just gives me that somewhat formal vibe. And for the first outfit, it's very formal. It has the pleated pants from Uniqlo, and then also just a button up or the collarless button up, which is very nice. And then I feel like these are just a statement piece. It makes the outfit pop. And it's very simple, it's very easy, but at the same time, from a distance, you can see like, ooh, those look good. And I just like how it's like formal, but informal at the same time. So I feel like I can go both directions with it. The second outfit, it's more of a more relaxed look. I have a straight leg jeans, and I feel like the jeans just fit perfectly. They just sit so elegantly on these. And thanks to my tailor, I feel like he did a great job, which they just fall off so nicely on these. And then also on the top, just an oversized t-shirt. I feel like with this, it's more informal and it still goes, it still works, you know? And then the last one is probably my favorite. This one is when I just want to have just a little bit more attention. And this outfit, I paired my BEX, my 3989, with a pair of corduroy pants, which I still feel like they're like a statement piece, but they take a back seat to these boots, and they look nice. I folded it up so that there's that separation between my ankles, the boots, and the pants. So if you look at it, I actually do like that. I didn't like how it just fell straight down if I did not decide to fold up my pants, but It looked good. I had a belt with it. And then lastly, just a regular plain t-shirt, which it looks good. But if I did want to increase this outfit, what I did was use a bandana, tied it around my neck, and voila. I feel like this just gives it that extra oomph. Let me know if you like these outfits. And as you can see, most of my pieces were from Uniqlo. I did a video where I went to Uniqlo, spent about $100. Check out exactly what I got. Very budget friendly, but they're pieces that were needed in my closet. Check out the video.